Friends, this car comes in today with the complaint that the exhaust system is hanging down too low and is kind of rattling around. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's a place for a hanger right here and there is no hanger. Well, friends, for those of you that may be familiar with my channel, you know I'm an old school guy. I'm in my 70s now. And my preferred method for welding exhaust systems is with gas. Now, I don't weld as good as I used to because my hand tremors a little bit, but we'll see if we can get this done. I'm going to try to weld this rod onto this ordinary muffler clamp, see if I can make some sort of hanger to solve this situation. Looks about right. Want a nice neutral flame. There we go, I got it flowing now. Okay, now that I've got it tacked on there, I'm going to release the vice grips. The vice grips was grabbing a lot of the heat. And it probably would have been helpful if I was wearing my welding gloves. So friends, this is what I came up with. Off camera I finished welding it. So now I took it under and I cut it off to the correct length. And the pipe that it was going on is at a 45-degree angle to the hanger. So I twisted this to a 45-degree angle and I bent this at a 90-degree angle. So let's go see how it works out. Okay friends, now I'm going to try to fit the clamp into the rubberized hanger. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Now we'll put the bottom part of the clamp on and the two nuts. Get one nut started. And I dropped it in my face. Not the first time I've done that. It's not the last time I've done that. Okay, let's get this side in. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And I want to turn this so it'll push the pipe up. Gotta get my wrench. Okay, this is way up there now. No danger of that hanging down too low. So it's pretty easy. If you got a method to weld, let me give you a better look at it here. See, here's the clamp. There's the rod I welded onto it, and now you can see it's fit through the rubber hanger. Really solid, really up there tight. Okay, friends, this job is done. Like we used to say about the hippies in the 1960s, they're uptight and out of sight. Well, this exhaust system is uptight and out of sight. If you're wondering what I'm using to support the vehicles, it's called My Lift Stands from My Lift Stands Incorporated. They've merged with another company now. I'll leave a video I did on My Lift Stands at the end of this video. So that's all I've got. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I will post 2 videos to your left. One will be about my lift stands, and the other will be something else I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of an avatar in the form of my very trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe. So thanks again for watching. Hope to see you all very, very soon.